Very joyful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Thursday and we are going to learn EVS subject. Do you know which topic we are going to learn today? That is my home. My home. Now, what is the meaning of my home? मेरा घर. Where we feel very relaxed and safe. Yes? So, at the very first, look at here how beautiful is. Yes. Everyone like your home very much now? Yes. Now tell me, how many rooms are there in our home? There are many rooms in our home. Yes? But the main rooms are, today we are going to look the rooms. Okay. Now what are they? First is, this is bedroom, this is kitchen, and this one is living room, and this one is bathroom. Okay. Now look at here what Miss had. Which picture is this, beta? Which room picture is this? Can you identify? What are the things inside the room? Acha, tell me which room is this? This is our living room where the guest will come and relatives and friends. Okay. So, first we will see the living room. Yes, सबसे पहले मेहमान वगैरह आते हैं तो कौन से रूम में बैठते हैं? That is called living room. And in living room, what are the things are there that we are going to see today? Yes, and what are the names also? Along with the name we will see today. Yes. Now first, what is this? This is sofa. And what is this? Wall clock. Yes. And this is television. Okay. And next, curtain. Parda. है ना? Then what is this? Table. Okay. Tea table. Table or tea table. Then what is this? Carpet. Okay. And this is clock. These are the things we will see in our living room. Okay. All these things are we see in our living room. There are many rooms in our home. Okay. But the main room is living room. And yes, now tell me, which room is this? Come on, tell me, which room is this, dear kids? Identify the things and tell me which room is this? Yes, this is our favorite room, that is bedroom, where you feel so relaxed. Yes? Yes. What are the material are in the bedroom that we will see today? Yes? That is, this is bed, this is pillow, okay? Fan, then wall hangings, this is carpet, okay? This is cupboard, then table, okay? All these things we will see in our bedroom, okay? Yes, dear kids. One more time Miss will repeat all the things. Fan, then what is this, beta? This is bed, pillow, then this is carpet, Okay. Table, cupboard and wall hangings. Okay. All these things we will see in our which room? Bedroom. Okay. Yes. Now, which room is this? Just tell me. Yes, Mama's favorite room, that is kitchen. All your mamas make different type of dishes in this room. Yes, and you will eat very nicely. Yes. Now what are the things we will see in the kitchen that we will see today? Yes. At the very first, what is this beta? Gas stove. What is this? Gas stove. Cupboard. Yes. Microwave. Mixer grinder. This is jar. Toaster. Refrigerator. Yes. What is this? Refrigerator. Okay. Once again we will repeat all the things. Gas stove, cupboard, microwave, mixer grinder, jar, toaster and refrigerator. Okay. These are all about kitchen room where we see these things in our kitchen. Okay. And what is this? All these are utensils. Bartan. Yes. What is this beta? These are utensils. Okay. Yes. Now tell me which room is this beta where we will fresh up ourselves? That is bathroom. Which room is this? This is bathroom. Yes. Which room is this beta? Where we will fresh up ourselves. This is bathroom. Okay. Now we will see the things which are in our bathroom. Which room is this? Bathroom. Yes, we will fresh ourselves. Yes. Now we will see the things whichever kept in the bathroom. Okay. Now we will see the things whichever kept in the bathroom. Yes. Now at the very first, tell me what is this? Bathtub. Okay. What is this? Bathtub. Bucket, mug, then what is this beta? This is wash basin, toilet, then shower. What is this? Shower. Dear kids, now identify this room beta. Which room is this? This is our bathroom where we will fresh up ourselves. Yes. What are the things kept in the bathroom that we will see today? Yes. At the very first, toilet. What will we will tell this? Toilet. Then bathtub. Okay. Bathtub. Mug. Mug. This is bucket. This is bucket and this is mug. Wash basin. And what is this? Come on, tell me. This is toothbrush. Okay. Toothbrush. Then shower. Yes, dear kids. Are you able to see beta? What are the things kept in the bathroom? Soap, toilet and shower, bathtub, tap, mug, bucket, toothbrush, wash basin. Yes, all these things are kept in our bathroom. Yes, once again I will repeat all the things: toilet, bathtub, bucket, mug, wash basin, toothbrush, then shower. What is this beta? Shower and tap. Okay. All these things we kept in our bathroom. Now I think you have understood all the rooms, about rooms and their materials also. Okay. Now we will do it in our textbook. Now take out beta page number 3939. Yes, page number 3939. What you have to do is, you had seen the pictures. Yes, circle the things which you see in the living room. So you have to circle television, curtain, sofa and carpet, yes, and table. Okay, you have to circle all these things: television, curtain, sofa, table and carpet. Yes dear kids, this is your homework beta. Color the things which you see in your bedroom. Okay, you have to color this bed. Okay, yes, this is your homework. Yes dear kids, you have to look the pictures and I have to write the spellings. B-E-D, bed, then C-L-O-C-K, clock, then C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Okay, then bookshelf, B-O-O-K-S-H-E-L-F, bookshelf, then C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard, then C-H-A-I-R, chair. Now T-A-B-L-E, table, then wall hanging, W-A-L-L-H-A-N-G-I-N-G, wall hanging. Okay, this way you have to complete this page. Yes dear kids, take out page number 4141. You have to tick the things which you see in the bathroom. Yes, that is wash basin, soap, you have to make a tick here, bucket, mirror. Yes, all these things you will see in the bathroom. Okay, now whatever you see in the kitchen beta, you have to write it here. Yes, take out page number 4242. Yes, at the very first, gas stove, G-A-S-S-T-O-V-E, gas stove, T-O-A-S-T-E-R, toaster, then M-I-X-E-R, mixer, utensils, U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S, then M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E, microwave, then C-U-P-S, cups. Okay, R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator, P-L-A-T-E-S, plates, then this is J-A-R-S, jar. Yes, utensils, microwave, M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E, microwave, V-A-S-E, vase, R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator, P-L-A-T-E-S, plates, and J-A-R-S, jars. Like this way you have to complete this page beta. Okay. Yes dear kids, this is your homework beta. So you have to stick the stickers here and you have to look at the given boxes, paste the sticker on this picture, on these places, write K for kitchen and B for bedroom and L for living room. Okay, you have to stick the pictures which provided you. So you have to write only the belongings beta. Yes, that is K for kitchen, B for bedroom and L for living room. Okay, like this way you have to complete this page. Okay, and send it to me. This is your homework. Take care.